In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Google Ads keyword research in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Let's start by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your go-to platform for getting customers and increasing your online sales through effective advertising. If you haven't bookmarked it already, you can easily find it by searching Google Ads in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, focus your attention on the top right corner. There you'll notice the Sign In button. Click on it and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, take a few moments to create one, because having access is crucial for navigating through Google Ads and unlocking their powerful tools. After signing in, you're directed to your Google Ads home. This interface will serve as your dashboard, allowing you to manage and analyze your ad campaigns efficiently. It might look a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step to make it manageable. Next, locate the campaign section from the dashboard. Clicking on this will show you a list of your ongoing campaigns if you have any, or it will prompt you to start a new one. This is where you can keep tabs on how your ads are performing and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, for those of you ready to launch your new campaign, you'll see the button that says New Campaign. Give it a click. This option is your starting point to creating and designing your ad campaign from scratch. Keep in mind that having a clear goal and target audience in mind will make this process more effective. Once you're set up, the next crucial step is all about keywords. Keywords are like the bridge between what people are searching for and your ads. Click on the keywords option in your dashboard. This is where the magic happens in terms of optimizing your ad relevance to what users are searching for. Google Ads offers tools to help you find the right keywords that match your business goals. Think about how your potential customers might search for your products or services, and use the insights offered by Google Ads to refine these ideas. Remember, the heart of a successful Google Ads campaign lies in understanding the intent of your audience and strategically choosing keywords that connect your ads to their needs. Be sure to explore and utilize all the keyword suggestions that Google provides, and don't shy away from experimenting with different combinations to find what works best for you. That wraps up the steps needed to kickstart your Google Ads keyword research. Following these steps diligently will empower you to craft ads that reach the right audience, maximize your marketing efforts, and ultimately boost your sales. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into optimizing your digital advertising strategies.